guys, what's up? Today we are going to be disassembling the Apple TV 3rd generation, and let's check it out. So this is the actual module. On this side we have the AC input right here. We have the HDMI plug. We have the micro SD for connecting to a computer. We have the optical audio plug right here, and then we have the Ethernet plug. So how we disassemble this is the back, by the way. How we disassemble this is by taking a screwdriver and pushing it into the back and then tapping it in. And we should just go all the way around like this. Tapping it in with a hammer. And pop it open. We might actually have to jam something inside to keep the side that we do open. So let's put this one in first. Okay, so that's open. And we will put in, since I just have this kicking around, put that in there. Push it a little deeper. Oh. I just broke my tool. Wow. Off with a bang. See, that end is snapped off and it is now inside there. Ooh, not good. I should be wearing safety glasses. This. There we go. Your crack there. Almost got part of the back panel here. There we go. I got it. So go around in the sides and lift up like this. Go around. Whoop. Tap them in and crack it up, and then it should just pop out. Oh, there we go. See, it opens like that. And then let's go on this side. There we go. And the lid will pop off like this. Just a plastic cover. And here are the internals. The side plugs are here. The battery, sorry, not battery, there's no battery. The internals are here. We can crack open this. By going around and popping off all of these little covers. There you go. There's the cover. Here are the internals. No chips or anything, because it's not a phone. So here's the internals. In here is the power, the AC power, goes from here into here. So we can try unscrewing these screws. Lock the bit in. Let's see what happens when we pop these guys off. Me? Unscrew these. Sorry about the wait. And this last one. There we go. Now it should just... Oh. We might have to unplug this first. So we'll use this. There we go. Unplug this cable. And then there we go. Comes right off with all the pieces intact. Now there will be a wire holding it in. We can unloop that and unplug it without destroying it. Okay, so there it is, and here is the module, and I'm not really sure how we take this off. It might just pop out, but I don't want to risk anything breaking. Just yank on these. There we go. There's the internal piece with some sticky on the back. And this is very sticky. And there it is. So that is how to disassemble the Apple TV 2nd generation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments if you would like me to disassemble any other Apple products. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.